Dear students, today we are going to find out capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when it is filled with dielectric medium partially. Before going to that, see here one capacitor is there. It is charged capacitor, and first plate, A plate, got a positive charge and B plate has negative charge. We know inside the capacitor there will be electric field from positive to negative. That electric field I am showing with E. And A is at potential VA and B plate is at potential VB, and plate separation D. Now we already know formula E is equal to minus dV by dr. If you use this formula to A to B, because field is directing from A to B, then first point is called A, second point is called B. Now E means E only, electric field, minus of dV. dV means what? Potential difference. Means what? Final potential minus initial potential. Final point is B here. So its potential VB minus initial point is A, its potential VA. So VB minus VA by dr means here distance between the two plates. Between the two plates the distance is D. So instead of dr we got D. So E is equal to minus of VB minus VA by D. This implies VA minus VB is E into D. VA minus VB is nothing but it is the potential difference. So potential difference we can show with V is ED. So this is the formula in case of uniform electric field. So uniform electric field के विषय में potential difference between any two points is equal to E into electric field into its length D, distance. Now capacitance formula we know C equal to Q by V. So Q by in the place of V, which is called potential difference, we can write ED. So then equation is 1. So this all thing is there is no dielectric medium in the capacitor. Before placing dielectric medium, this is everything. Now we are placing dielectric medium whose thickness is small t. So this is dielectric medium and this is normal vacuum only. Means what? Inside that between the two plates of the capacitor, charged capacitor के दो plates के बीच में एक dielectric medium को रखा गया जिसका thickness T, जिसका dielectric constant K. रखने से ये dielectric medium के अंदर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है ना, यहाँ वैक्यूम में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E, लेकिन यहाँ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E by K हो जाएगा. We already studied in the topic of dielectric medium. So wherever dielectric medium is there, their field become E by K. Wherever dielectric medium is not there, their field is E only. So in that way field will change. Now this capacitor, this capacitor can be studied as combination of two capacitors. One is having dielectric medium whose thickness is T. Now across which potential difference is field into thickness T. Potential difference is field into thickness T. Field how much? E by K. So E by K into T. So means what? Across dielectric medium potential difference is E by K into T. Across other region, remaining region, potential difference must be E into D minus T, because in the remaining region electric field is E only. So E into D minus T. So since both are in series, then total potential difference between the two plates will become V1 plus V2. Means what? E by K into T plus E into D minus T. So then new capacitance now after filling partially with dielectric medium, new capacitance C dash is equal to Q by new potential difference. So Q by new potential difference is this, E by K into T plus E into D minus T. So that become Q by E into D minus T into 1 minus 1 by K. That is ED into 1 minus T by D into 1 minus 1 by K. So Q by ED is C from equation 1. So C by 1 minus T by D into 1 minus 1 by K. This implies that C dash is greater than C. Means what? Capacity is slightly increased but not K times, because it is partially filled. If it is fully filled, we already studied capacity will increase by K times. Now see, if it is fully filled, then thickness T should be replaced with D. Thickness T should be replaced with D. Then this become Kc. Means what? Capacity will increase by K times. This which is already we studied, same thing we got. Here what is the point to remember? Whenever dielectric medium is placed here, in the medium of dielectric medium, in the region of dielectric medium, electric field changes to E by K. Wherever dielectric medium is not there, their electric field is E only. So across the dielectric medium, potential difference becomes field into thickness T. Means what? E by K into T. E by K into T. Wherever field is not there, their field will remain E only, and its thickness is remaining medium, that is remaining thickness, that is D minus T. So field into D minus T is the potential difference across vacuum. This is the potential difference across E by K into T is the potential difference across the dielectric medium. So both are in series, we can imagine. Then total potential difference V dash has become V1 plus V2, means what? E by K into T plus E into D1st. So this is the new potential difference after placing dielectric medium partially. Then new capacity C dash is Q by V dash. So then we change it like this. Now this time we are placing here not dielectric medium. Inside the capacitor plates we are placing conducting medium. Conducting medium is what? Conductor metal piece whose thickness is T. So as soon as metal plate is placed, inside the metal electric field will become zero, because inside the conductor in static conditions electric field do not exist. Why? Because due to induction, here negative charge will come and here positive charge will come, because it is placed in इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ऑफ कैपेसिटर प्लेट्स के इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में रखा गया. वो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के कारण इसके अंदर के चार्जेस सेपरेट होते हैं, इधर माइनस इधर प्लस. देन हियर टू फील्ड्स विल बी देयर. वन इज एक्चुअल फील्ड ऑफ कैपेसिटर प्लेट्स, दैट इज लेफ्ट टू राइट, and the second is oppositely, because of this induction charges, opposite field. Both fields will get cancelled, net field will become zero. So net field becomes zero. That is why field free region, this one. So this field free region we can ignore it. Then remaining capacitance is having thickness d minus t. That says capacity C dash must be A epsilon 0 by thickness. That is d minus t. And earlier capacity was A epsilon 0 by d. So if you find ratio, C dash by C is d by d minus t. That means C dash is greater than C. Means what? Now also capacity will increase by increases slightly. But here full region we cannot fill with conducting medium. If full region is filled with conducting medium, charges of capacitor plates will neutralize. Then it will not act as a capacitor.